How to draw Leo from Little Einsteins, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of today's drawing, we're just going to draw a simple C line right here towards the left hand side of the page. And on the inside, we're going to draw a small design for the inside of the ear. Nice! Now once we're all done with that step, we're going to go a little to the right and we're going to draw two circles for the outline of the glasses. Next, we're going to draw the frame of the glasses by drawing an outline around the two circles that we just drew, and then we're going to connect it to the ear on the left hand side. And if you're new to Learn How to Draw Hub, then welcome. We upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials on a regular basis, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right place. Now let's draw two long lines to connect from the ear to the eyeglass on the left-hand side. Next, on the inside of each eyeglass, let's go ahead and draw the actual eye. We'll draw a small circle with a bigger circle attached to it that'll be filled in completely black, and around all of that we draw, we're going to draw a bigger circle. Now once we're all done with that step, let's go ahead and do the exact same thing on the right hand side. So the glasses and ear are really important because they kind of help separate the top and bottom of the face. Now let's go ahead and draw the bottom of the face by drawing a simple curved line for the outline that will connect from the ear to the right eyeglass. Now on the inside of the blank space that we just made, let's go ahead and draw the mouth. The mouth is fairly simple, but if I ever go too fast or if you ever have a hard time following along, then feel free to pause the video. Nice! So far we're making great progress. Now right above the mouth, let's go ahead and draw the nose by making a small backward C curved line. Fantastic! Now let's draw the top of the head. For the first step of drawing the top of the head, let's draw the hair. The first part of the hair will be made by making a long curved line. The very top is very spiky, so we're going to use a lot of sharp edges. Let's close off that open space by drawing a curved line to connect to the right eye glass. Now we're almost all done drawing the head. For the last step of drawing the head before we color, let's just go ahead and draw the simple eyebrows right above each eye. Now everything else that we draw will be below the head. For the next step, let's go ahead and draw the outline of the bottom of the shirt. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. When you hit that button, it sends a special message to YouTube that says, hey, this is a good video, recommend it to other YouTube artists as well. Then we can continue to grow our drawing community together. On the left hand side, let's go ahead and close off that blank space by drawing the arm and the hand. At first it will all be attached, then we're going to use lines to separate the arm and the hand. Before we draw the right arm as well as hand, let's draw a stripe going across the shirt for detail. Now let's draw the second arm and hand, but keep in mind that this hand will be attached to the shirt. Now connected to the shirt, let's go ahead and draw the shorts. For the first step of drawing the shorts, we're going to draw the shorts pockets. We'll draw two pockets, one on the left and one on the right hand side. Nice! Now let's go ahead and draw the actual outline of the shorts themselves. Now for the last step before we color our drawing in today, let's go ahead and draw the shoes along with the legs. The legs will be very short, but each of the shoes will have a little bit of detail, so keep in mind that if you need to pause the video, then feel free to do so. Now let's draw the second shoe and leg the exact same way that we just drew the right. This is How to Draw Leo from Little Einsteins. Thanks for watching How to Draw Hub and drawing with me today. If you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give it a big like and subscribe. That way, you'll stay up to date on all the latest drawings that we post. And if you want to see the supplies that we use, then be sure to check out the description below because I have a link to everything that we use. And next, I'm going to show you a picture of my drawing all colored in. Great job today and thanks for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.